According to me, dentistry is doctor, engineer, and artist. By definition, dentistry means arts and science which deals with oral and para-oral structures, head and neck. So, just jokingly we say that we deal with head and neck region but without brain. So, we don't deal with brain, only we deal with the head and neck region. So, that's why we are the doctors. Definitely we are going to gain a doctorship. And then you will be the engineer. We will fabricate so many things. We will do so many things in engineering part. And we are artists. Artist in the sense we design. How you design? One facial profile, you can change it. So by that way, you will be the artist. Next slide. The most important thing is here, you may think that BDS I joined here, BDS I joined. Maybe I am doing all for 18, 19 subject they told. And 18, 19 subject, other than that, what I am going to do here? You can do a lot of things. So one of the aspect, so we always in between our colleagues will fight. So who will deal with forensic odontology? Madam is sitting here. So the forensic point of view, I'm talking here is that two people have the same set of teeth. Your teeth are not as unique as your fingerprint. Your teeth are as unique as your fingerprints. Because to mean to say that everybody has different teeth set, which is, I don't think so we'll see a uniqueness. Entirely different. The one thing is that, and second thing is forensic point of view. See, whole body can decomposed, even bone can be degraded, but sometimes teeth will be remain there. With that, there are so many cases are solved in India itself. I can give you the example. You must have heard the Nithari case. You must have heard the Rajiv Gandhi assassination case. Or so many cases. Just because of the teeth. You can ask me how the teeth? Because the polymerase chain reaction, you will take a DNA from the pulp of the tooth and then you make a copy of it and then you identify the person. In that way, you also can pursue in that line. Now recently in Gujarat, so many posts came for forensic odontology, professor, assistant professors, government posts. So with that, in that direction also you can go, or you can pursue dentist itself. Next. The Leonard Institute of Dental Science, this is the college building I am showing you. So many parents will every time they'll call and ask, you have come under which university? We have come under Dr. NTR University of Health Science, Vijayawada. This is a government health university. All examination, all results will announced by, conducted by, and the curriculum laid on by this university. One of the good university in India, I can say. There are a lot of universities there, but comparatively private universities, these are universities are good universities. And Leonard Institute of Dental Science is recognized by Dental Council of India, recognized by DCI and Health Ministry, New Delhi also. In 2017, we have gone for accreditation. That means NAAC, this is written there, NAAC A graded institution. What do you mean by NAAC A grade? NAAC A grade means National Assessment and Accreditation Council. It's a national body. They gave A grade to our institute. In what way they give you A grade? You may ask. There are very intelligent parents are here and students are here. There are certain things they have taken from, good things taken from him. That's what I'm telling you, no? Nobody is perfect. So the good things are taken from the institute. The one example I can give you, the patient there, they were very much satisfied with the patient. I think you cannot say so much patient except the government hospitals. There are about 300 to 400 patients are visiting per day that you can see. These students can see daily. Next. This is the college building. The night view of the college. Next. Yeah. So this is everybody told, secretary also told, and chairperson madam also told. This person started whole group of institution. Dr. K. Lakshma Reddy Garu, founder chairman and Kerala group of institutions. So his thing is written here, the role model in the field of education, created a history in technical management and health education, winning the heart of many so far. He has got so many institutes in Palvacha, so here. So his vision and his aims and objectives. Before that, let me introduce, you have seen already secretary and chairperson. Ma'am. Next. This is Dr. Satish Kumar Reddy sir, Andhra State DCA member now, and he is a governing body member of Lenore Institute of Dental Science. And madam's daughter, K. Sindhu, she is a treasurer for whole group of institute. And as you have seen already, the Dr. Nagarjuna Reddy Garu. Next. So vision. This is the vision of our institute. But if you want me to ask, to one line, if you want me to tell, to provide education for rural population was basic idea for this institute. Thereafter that it is improved and improved. Of course, outside the state, yeah, different places, students are coming and joining here. This is our mission, means objectives. What are the objectives? 3 main objectives. Next. Yeah. Well, let me talk about the courses what we offer here in this institute. That is BDS, we have 100 strength. And MDS in 8 branches. We have, in that 5 branches has got 5 seats each, and other branches has got 3 seats each. So, yearly on and about 34 to 35 MDS students will join here in different subjects. Okay? For that you need know that you have to complete the NEET exam and clear the NEET exam, and required percentage you have to score. Okay? So if you aim now, if you day by day if you study, it's not you all studied now maybe CBSE or ICSE or your state's languages. It is very simple it is, and not so difficulty. I'm telling you, difficulty when arise if you pile up the things the whole year. At the end I will study, but then you will be messed up with so many things. So that should not be there. You should read every day. Should read every day. 1, 2 hours, 3 hours. As a teacher, and I taught near about 20 years in my teaching experience. I'm telling you, not 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. So in 20 years of teaching experience, how could she catch up the things in dentistry? Even like you also, she also faced so many problems. It's not, the problem was not there. But she could do it because she, every day she used to study, every day she used to go to library, complete the practical work, attend the classes. So here some dignitaries told that you should attend every classes. See, I have seen that you join for the BDS course and then complete the BDS course. Some classes you don't attend. Once you have missed the class, it's missed. It lost for you, not for me, and not for the faculties. Faculty, they will continue and they'll go. You can't wait, we can't wait for you to, for this person has not come today. I have to wait and then I'll take a class. No, it's not possible like that. We'll continue. But loss for you. First thing. And second thing is some of them I have seen in the in doing the internship. Internship is a very important for everybody. See, you can learn maximum because why I'm telling you is lot of cases are here. You can do. You can take the guidance from the teachers and lot of things you can do. Lot of invention you can do. Innovative idea, come up with innovative ideas. But you should attend the internship. I've seen some students. Really, I'm telling you. In between they'll come, 6 months they'll complete. After that they'll put some influence for somewhere. Everybody has got influence nowadays. And then you will take a internship completion certificate. When the CM or that level people call, we don't have any option left now then. Somewhere some oblige and something will give. But at the end of the day, recently I'm telling you, on 1 month back, some of the one student, XYZ student, taken a 6 months not completed, applying for internship completion. How can I give? How it is possible? It's a prime time for you. You enter the dentistry, you don't want to learn the dentistry and go. No, it is not possible like that. You should not do like that. Absolutely 4 years fees you paid, so much pain, everything you have done, and at the end, you are not attending the internship. It's absolutely lost for you. When you go out, when you put a clinic, or when you go for the MDS, they will take additional coaching classes near to 5 lakhs minimum, I am telling you, 3 to 5 lakhs. Do you want to pay that and again you have go for coaching and don't do that. When you are here, you complete it. Next courses we have PG diploma also, and then PhD also, and dental mechanics and other certified courses. These are the courses which we offered in our institute. Next. So library, we have a good library you can visit. I request all of you to visit our institute. Each and every department, go and see. So this is the library. Mr. Ram Babu is the chief librarian. I request all the students. This is where you face a problem. You don't go to the library only. You don't see the books only. You don't take the library card only. I have seen the students who is coming after 4 years asking for give me a library card, sir. That is not good. You should go to library. See what is going on there. You can go digitally. We have near about 300-400 journals. Online journals are there. It's very good for you. That also you can see. Books also, lot of books are there. You can see. So Ramakrishna is assistant librarian. Rajini is assistant librarian. Yeah, librarian. As I said, 8:30 library will open. Up to 8 o'clock, 8:30 it will be there. You can sit there and study. Okay. Next. So the good infrastructure I am told you, these are the points which have facilities. Every college will have a facility like this. Without this facility, government won't approve. So when we talk about the facility, when you talk about the facility, what facility you have other than the other colleges? What do you have? So I can say I have the instrument some of the colleges is not having. One example, 2, 3 example I can give you. One example, one medicine department is having a CBCT machine. Having a CBCT machine. So many institutes are not having. They are about 70-80 lakhs worth material, that is machine, that is. And then The conservatory department is having endo microscope. I think you don't see so many endo microscope in other colleges. We have a 10 endo microscope, that also high end microscope. In fact, the IDEA Rajahmundry has conducted recently one CD program, how to use the endo microscope. Okay, so it's a very modern technology, that is. And then come to the perio department. What you have? We have lasers. Treatment will be done by lasers. Like that, so many instruments, so many equipments are there in our institute which you can utilize if you are interested. Okay. So these are the points: good infrastructure, excellent faculty, good laboratories, all facilities, excellent exposure to patient, provided with centralized Wi-Fi system. We have a Wi-Fi system everywhere. Hostel it is there, in college also it is there. Transport facility, limited areas we have a transport facility. And then hostel, good hostel is there. We have a yoga teacher, gym and the sports teacher we have. If you are interested, and for the first year, Saturday, last 2 hours, in the sense afternoon 2 to 4 is for only for sports. Only for the sports you can utilize yourself. You can come up with the things. We will send you to so many universities within the state or outside the state. We have sent already so many students also. So you can also utilize that opportunity if you are good. Come out with things. We don't know who is good in what. So you come out with things, you participate, and then we'll encourage you. Okay. Then NEET coaching we are done. We are starting already the NEET coaching classes, online coaching. This year we are starting. So you can, if you are interested, not now I am telling you, not a first year. When you come to the final years, their interns can use the online coaching system. And the Google Classroom, as already Secretary told, Google Classroom, we have so many notes and so many journals and all. Our teachers' classes will be uploaded in Google Classroom, and you will be given, everybody will be given user ID and the password that you can utilize it. Okay? Almost every day's classes, the programs, examination patterns, everything will be uploaded in that. So I request you, please utilize that. Okay? This is one thing which helps. For example, sometimes unavoidable circumstances you will take a leave. So in that case, brother's marriage, housewarming, there's something like that. It's a genuine reason. It's not, you cannot take that. In that situation, instead of asking the students, definitely your classmates will help you, but you can also go to the Google Classroom and see that what is happening. What happened last class? Who took the class? And how it is uploaded? What are the classes? What subject they took? What topic they are taken? Okay? And the last one is the student exchange program. We'll come back to the student exchange program. Next. This is again the building view. Next. So, somebody is told that just now, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva, Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Guru Namaha. Meaning to say that respect your teachers. So I say that last Teachers' Day we celebrated. See, so slide, see how so much beautifully this is made, is it not? Yes or no? So made by Christina only, not by me. Okay? So, one book, one pen, one child and one teacher can change the world. This is how. The teachers are very important. Take a guidance from the teachers and take a guidance from your seniors. See, I am telling you my personal experience. Yes, ragging is started because of some reason. The motive was the initial days. not because of you go and physically abuse or something you do which is not accepted by the students. So, but it doesn't mean that you should not give a respect to your seniors. The seniors are most important for you. You should give respect to your seniors. Last time, asking one name of one second year student asked the name of first year, and then that girl is coming and telling me, so she is asking my name. If outsider comes, I'll also ask, what is your name? Is it wrong? So then I motivated her, I counseled her, and she then accepted, okay. But beyond that, no. Just ragging definition itself states that you should be in the limit, and you should not, if the person is not willing, then you should not do anything to that person. Maybe senior or maybe junior. Why I am telling you here is, you are in first year now, and then you are going to the second year. Oh, now first year they ragged me. Yeah, they asked my name. In fact, in our institute, what they told is absolutely correct. We don't have any ragging here. Everybody is friendly only because. So, but in case sometimes I see in other institutes, they will go there, and when they go to the second year, oh, they ragged me, I will rag them now. No, nothing like that. Absolutely no ragging. Ragging is now absolutely banned by Supreme Court because of the ragging, so many deaths occurred. The death occurred, you must have heard that Aman movements. I request all the students and the parents to give that application form. I'll send it to you, and you sign and you have to give affidavit. That is a mandatory. If you are not given, then your name will be cut off from the Dental Council of India. I'm telling you strictly now. So, that Aman movement, what the amanmovement.org is the one website. Another one is you can go to the UGC, University Grant Commission also. So you can go to that and you can see why the Aman movement is started, because the one boy from the first year in Dharmashala of the Punjab suicided. They are killed because of the ragging. Here after that it is started. Okay? So please don't rag anyone or get ragged by anyone. Simple. Next, I discontinue there. This is our excellent faculty. So we have near about 40 staffs are there. So everybody I cannot introduce. Some people I can introduce you. Here, madam, you can see. Oral medicine madam, HOD madam, Dr. Sri Devi. Please wave, madam. She is the director for research also. And then I can introduce, okay, Dr. Naveen. This is Dr. Naveen from Public Health Dentistry, HOD. This is Dr. Pawan from Ortho Department, HOD. This is Dr. Madhu from Pedo Department. This is Rupa Madam. This is Lakshman Rao, Dr. Lakshman Rao from Prosthetic Department, and he is Director PG Studies also. And Dr. Murli here, and our Vice Principal, Dr. Darsi. These are the main HODs of the department. Next. Yeah. Now the point is, in first year, who is going to take a class for you? First interaction with the first impression will be a best impression, they say, no? Is it not? So these are the three people. One is having a fever, he didn't come. Mr. Satish here. And Dr. Abhishek Jana, physiology, he is going to teach you. And Dr. Ganesh Babu, he is going to teach you biochemistry. As and when you come, All the teachers will introduce you. Next. Okay, 1 second. Sorry. So when you come to the second year, okay. When you come to the second years, here Dr. Vijayalakshmi, Dr. Sujata, here Dr. Lata. These are the three people. When you come to the second year, so many people also there, so many teachers also there. Next. So I told you, patient exposure. So you will be very happy that, oh, I will come to the second year, secondary sir told, we will take you to the second year onwards, we will teach you, take you to the this thing, patient, and you will learn, and after that we will become dental, we can teach the students and, learn so many clinical aspects. But at the same time, you should remember that you are dealing with the patient. When you're dealing with the patient, so many things you should keep it in your mind. That is, the first thing is, you are teaching like your relative. How are you going to teach your parents, your father, your mother, your sister or brother come to your clinics? How you teach? The same respect you should teach the student, patients. And the second thing which I want to tell you is, nowadays, Consumer Protection Act is very, very strong. According to on paper, on record survey, even though after becoming that, so you after becoming, when you start practice also, I'm telling you, Consumer Protection Act, in that, in India itself, near about 5.77 lakhs they paid as a compensation to the patient. So, I mean to say that when you're doing the patient, you should be, where problem will occur, if madam will say to extract one tooth, maybe right upper tooth, you are going to extract left upper tooth. Once it is extracted, it is gone. I see this. When you're going to, somebody told you to fill the last quadrant tooth and you're going to fill another tooth, then you give a reason that, madam, that tooth also having the caries, I filled it first, that one. No, when the teacher told you to fill, somebody told you to fill which particular tooth, that particular tooth only should be filled, no other tooth. Patient has to give a consent to you. When the patient tells, I am having a pain here, you deal with that area only. Don't deal with other areas. So you may be calculating, I may be calculating whole mouth, if I do it, how much I am going to get money. That is not the thing. How much compensation I have to pay after that, that is important. In that way, you should think legally also before treating the patient. Before treating the patient, you take legal consent from the patient. We'll teach you, don't worry about all those things. Simply I am telling you. So this is our clinic here. The patient will be treated, and this part is the public health dentistry. We have one department. They will go to all the camps, social areas, public areas, schools. They will treat the patient. Okay. Next. So this is what the patient every day you can see in our college. This is what the patient every day you can see in our college. 300 to 400 patient. Yeah, the fluctuation will be there, but this much patient will come always. Okay. Next. So this is the laboratories we have. Next. So canteen and boys hostels. Next. So along with the teaching, some of the extracurricular activities also important. Co-curricular activities it is called. So cultural activities. So many days we organize here in our dental college. AIDS Day, Oral Hygiene Day, Teachers Day, Pre-Christmas Day, Women's Day. Yeah, Women's Day also we celebrate here. So many days. So next, this is the yoga here, and this is the dance, classical dance. Next, the sports again. I told you already. Next. So sometimes happen to see your favorites. You can see here only. So one of the picture that is, I think now girls can answer for this. Yeah, boys also. Yeah. Who is that? Okay. So he is visited here and he has inaugurated the our mobile dental van. We have a mobile dental van. Next. So the one of the picture here, oral hygiene day we have celebrated. Next. So I mean, enthusiastically they are prepared. You don't have to tell. You call and tell our students, they will do it. You see outside how beautifully they made a rangoli. It's not easy. If I go and do, I'll do something nonsense only there. So you should have a knowledge, is it not? For that also. Eh? Next. So the clean Lenora and green Lenora. So we are already implemented. We ban plastic bags inside. One thing. And second thing is, even yesterday also seen some of the newly joined parents and students eating ice cream and throwing this thing just thoroughly. No, not like that. Everywhere dustbin is there. Please use the dustbin. Put it in the dustbin only. Don't throw here and there. It is your college. 5 years you are going to deal with everybody. Please maintain clean and even green also. Okay. Next. I told you Google Classroom. What is it? Next. Yeah. International Student Exchange Program. Now we have tie-up with some Lincoln University, Malaysia. The first batch of student gone there. I mean, last year only we started. So these are the students who have gone there. Interns 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. Our treasurer, madam, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are the 1, 2, 3, and faculty from Malaysia University. So this is again one more slide. Yes, this slide we are signed up with the Lincoln University Vice Chancellor. He is sitting here. He is signing the Memorandum of Understanding between Lincoln University and Lenora Institute of Data Science. Okay, this is a very good university, very big university also. If anybody is interested to the PhD there in future, for you, I'm telling you, youngsters, after 2021-22, they are going to implement PhD is a mandatory for everyone. PhD is like how MDS is mandatory for everyone now. After 2022, PhD will be a mandatory for everybody. If you want to go academically, this is I'm talking about the academics. If you want to go to academics, if you want to go to higher position, you need to have a PhD degree. That one concept is there now, that UGC has not given any, till now they have just told that even it is a compulsory for other colleges, pharmacy and all those things, but dental and medical it has not come, but it will come. And other part of the PhD is, when I do the MDS, if I have a 20 years of experience, if I go to the Gulf or some other countries, my salary will be the 2.5 or 3 lakhs. And those who having a PhD degree will be having a 5 lakhs. There is a lot of difference for PhD guys. So keep it in your mind. So this is what the MOU signed with both the colleges and the university. Next. So this is, we are screening will do for the patient. This is again the public health dentistry. Go to so many camps will organize. Per year, not less than 150 camps will be organized. Next. So this is what now Madam has given to the green challenge. In the sense, she has interested in everybody should plant at least one tree, so that we can save our environment, save our nation. So I have given just a caption. You also please parents and the students do this. Okay. It's called a green Godavari. I have given the name, whatever it is. Next slide. So these are all in general Now introduction to the BTS. In the sense, don't be get scared so much. So many slides are there, so many things are there. It's a simple thing. It will become a routine process. You will enjoy your life. Okay. Next, the most important things I told you: attendance. 75% of attendance in theory, 75% of the attendance in practical is a mandatory to give final exam. It's conducted by the university. Okay? If you don't have this, you are not eligible. So earlier we used to maintain manually. Now we are not maintaining. We are maintaining it, but university is having. They will take punch biometric attendance system that is now going to follow. If the person is having 1% attendance shortage also, then what they are going to do now is every class, every teacher, every day, they 365 days, they will give device and you have to punch it. We already started with this machine. You can see that machine there, biometric attendance, but it's going to be again strict in attendance system. So don't bunk the classes unnecessarily, unless and otherwise you have a genuine reason. Suppose if you have a genuine reasons, you have to take. There's no other option. But 75% mandatory. Be here on time all day, every day. Next. So they told you 4 years course. I'll also say 4 years course and 1 year rotary internship. So you go for rotatory internship after 1 year, and then total your course duration will be a 5 years. Okay. Next. So the first year, what you are going to first year teachers are going to give you in detailed description about this. But what are the subject you are going to taught? That is general anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, dental anatomy, and dental histology. I can introduce you first year teacher. Dr. Harsha is sitting there. Dr. Harsha, please stand up and wave your hand. He is very good teacher. So next, second year we are going to teach you pharmacology, microbiology, general pathology, dental materials, preclinical prosthodontics, and preclinical consultation. These are the subjects. Okay. Third year we are going to general medicine, general surgery, oral pathology, and clinical posting will start. We are planning to start in second year itself. Now second year, second half we are going to start. But why I am telling you first? Second year first itself you are not going to stand. You should know first. I may tell you, I may send you to the clinics. Only you can observe. You cannot touch the patient unless and otherwise you do it. For example, tooth cutting, all these things, cavity filling, all these things you do it in dummy and then you touch the patient. Teachers will teach you and then they will take a viva for you. They will take a examination for you and then only you can touch the patient. Otherwise it's not possible for you. Okay. Next. In the fourth year, you are going to learn is the oral medicine and radiology. Brief description about what is oral medicine and radiology, medicine related, what medicine you are going to do, how you are going to do, diagnose the lesion, and then mainly the radiology aspects. I told you we have this machine here. This is the CBCT machine, and the diagnostic aspect here. So this is the oral medicine and radiology. And next is surgery. Dr. Kalsing is sitting here only. Very good surgeon. He will take you to OT when you come to the final year and internship and show you the all procedures. Okay. This is not they are doing the OT in our own OT surgical procedure. Next, conservative dentistry. You are going to fill the root canal treatment. All those things you are going to do it in this department. So 8 subject, basically 8 subject in final years. Okay. Next. So this is what the patient will be dealing after some time in third year physically. Prosthodontic is fabrication. We will put implant. Nowadays everybody is talking about implant, right? Implant. So that we are doing implant here. We have a separate department for implant. When you come for the internship, your final year, they'll take you and they will show you. I'm not telling you can do the implants. To do the implants, need to work hard and need to know more knowledge. Seeing so many cases, doing something, working with some people, then only you can learn. You cannot directly, you cannot do it. You're dealing with the patient. Okay. So the implant here and the crowns, and the crown is not good, yeah, crown root canal treated the tooth, you are going to put a crown. So this department is going, and then the dentures. When you come to the final year, you can give a denture to your grandmother or grandfather. Is it not? Next. So the pedo, you are going to treat the kids below 14 years age kids. You are going to treat. Okay. Next. Perio, you are going to, I told you laser they will use, and then they will surgical treatment of the gums and all those things. In and around teeth, they were going to teach you, and you can also learn, and then you can also do it. Okay. Next. Orthodontics, you know, I think most of you know what is orthodontics. Okay, right? So put the, see the gap here, you can close the gap, putting the razors here and all those things. Okay. So then what is this? This is, what is this? Students, can you tell me, first years, any idea this is? What is this? No idea? Anyone? Nobody knows? What is this? Going to be a dentist now? Joint? No? Don't know? So this is widening of the arch. When the arch is very small, you should widen the arch, putting the screws here. Okay? So, a lot of things are there. So this is what our mobile van. So Vijay Devarkonda is inaugurated same van. Okay? So this is the van. Inside the van only we'll go to rural area and we can teach the patient. We have 2 chairs within the van. Okay, all facilities will be there inside the van, and you can treat the patient. So this is one area they visited. Next. So they visited Adarsh College of Pharmacy for the treatment aspect. There the screening they are done and treatment they are done, and then refer to the college. Next. So this thing. Now exam. So examination, we will conduct 3 internal exam. As you maybe know already, 3 internal we will conduct in a year. First internal, second internal, and third internal. Parents, please listen properly. The internal examination schedule, we put it in your WhatsApp group as well as in your direct line. So we'll send it and follow it up. I am telling you, maximum are very good students. You study. Some 1 or 2 will be there. They won't study. They won't tell at home, and at the end you will face problem. It should not happen. From the beginning, if you start doing it, follow it up. See, 50% I can follow it up. As a parent, you also should follow it up. Teachers will follow it up. I will follow it up. But 50% your effort. Even my daughter also studying now. We'll go to every time college once in 3 months. And then what is the performance? What is the attendance? These all things need to be doing. I'm telling the parents, every time, please parents, follow it up. You need to know. But at the end, if you are not attended anything, at the end my daughter is failed or my son is failed. How? No answer from us. We can't say. We are sent already everything to you, your house, by phone, and you are not following it up. That is not our. There are some students are there, I'm telling you, in this institute also, they are not coming regular to the college. See, you need to be a very, discipline in the sense, not as they told Chaitanya Narayana, discipline in the sense morning at 5 o'clock is not, I say it's not required. For me, dentistry, I say that only 3 hours, 4 hours you study every day, make a habit of it. That's enough. And the discipline you should have it. When the teachers have given the assignment to you, you should complete on time. That's most important. If you are not completing on time, it will pile up. And at the end, At the year end, you will face problem. It's not teachers, it's not me. And the next, the parents will face problem because they have invested on you. Now, basically speaking, your responsibility now it increases, my dear students. You should be a responsible person. You are going to be a doctor. Even though today in India the doctors are respected like anything. If you say doctors, the respect will be different. So that maintain you should follow the ethics, you should follow the discipline certain extent. Okay. So examination pattern. I told you 3 internal assessment exam we are going to conduct. That internal assessment exam marks, aggregate marks, we'll send it to university at the end of the year. That also count. Don't think that only final year exam is important, no other exam is not important. No, not like that. Internal assessment exam is very important. That is what I told you. Like that, so many students are there. Like Rojasi, so many students are. She has got a first position, but there are 6 students are there. They also got very good marks. Maybe 4 or 5 marks. They got second position or third position. You ask them to be friendly with them. How to study? How can I proceed? How can I go? See, sometimes what happens within the 6 months, the transition period, I'm telling you, this 6 months transition period, you will become fed up with the things. What is this? I'm not understanding any terminologies. Because the words, everything is entirely different here. For example, I'll tell you to say up, I'll say superior. In a book, I'll tell you. I say superior. To down, I say it is inferior. To both the side, I'll say lateral. So these terminologies, you should know that. Once you know this terminology, then it's very, very, very easy for you. And this 6 months time is a transitional period for you. From there you came, now it's entirely professional college. But I'll give you 100% assurance that if you are interested, 100% you will do it. 100% you will do it. It's not very difficult. It's not a space science. Okay? The failure, obviously space science is also now 95% is completed, 5%. There also it is problem is there, is it not? You must have seen how he is putting so much effort that particular day, how much he cried, is it not? Shivakumar or Shivan, whatever, is a director of that. How much he cried. Just failure is only 5%, but that he has taken it very deeply and he cried that day because their baby that is. If that 5% would have been completed, it would have been noticed, yeah, it would have been a very good help for throughout the world. So, my dear students, examination pattern I told you, and the final year, every year at the end, that is usually in the June and July month, we will be having a university exam. Okay? So please follow it up and study. And the first year you are going to have general anatomy, I told you, physiology, biochemistry, dental anatomy and dental histology. Same thing, all year like this. Second year, third year and final year. 3 internal exams and 1 main exam. Okay? In this, you should score 50% of aggregate. Theory separately 50% you should score and practical separately you should score. If you are not scored 50% in theory, no. You have to score 50% in theory, 50% in practical. My dear students, one more request to you, you should not enter when we are taking the class like this. That is not acceptable. You should come on time, you should go on time. There is a time for everything. If I start here, I lose my so many things, I prepared it, I will lose it. I am not able to tell you. When you are coming, my dear students, you come on time to the college, enter the college on time, and then it will be helpful for the teachers and it will be helpful for me also, for everybody else. And one more thing is, we'll strictly follow this. Our teachers never going to allow you inside the classroom once the class is started. and you should not blame us. Anyway, one main exam will be there. I told you 50% you should score in theory, 50% you should score in practicals. Both 50%, 50%, then only your result will be considered as a pass, first class, second class. You have distinction. Okay? Is it clear? Okay. Next. This is just a diagrammatic illusion that the iceberg, the success. Success is an iceberg, what people see. So Rogersi got this thing distinction that only you see, but how much struggle she faced that nobody has seen. So the things here, what people don't see is dedication, hard work, good habits, disappointment, sacrifice, failure, persistence. These are all part of life and part of education system. This will be there. If it is not there, no. And the failure, if you have throughout in your life success, that is the most dangerous for you. If you eat only the sugar, that is also most dangerous. In between, you should eat different food. It may be having a better taste. So, it's not key. I failed in one subject. Don't go for depression. First internal assessment, I will tell you exam. In the first internal exam, maximum you will fail. Some will pass. I'm not going to depress you. That is how it happens. It doesn't mean that I am failure. No, you are not a failure. Again you read, score good marks in second internals. That attitude you should have. The failure only it should be sometime it will be help you to take to that level. Okay. The language, the things are told, the language is may be important for you. You may face language problem, but language problem, if you have an interest, you make habit of reading the English books or English novels. You have to at least papers, because I am also come from the regional language only, not study from CBSE or something like that. Yes, so many people are studied and gone out from this institute also from the regional language what they studied. But if, at the end you need to have an interest. That's all. That matters. And why I am telling you is, you learn now itself. Now the situation is come like that. You have to compete globally. You have to compete globally. You want to globally if you want to compete, and then you have to compete in that level. Otherwise it is not possible. Okay? I am not discouraging you, but you have to put a hard work. So these things are very important here: persistence, failure, sacrifice, disappointment, good habit, hard work, dedication. If you have that, then only you can achieve it. Otherwise it's not possible. Simply it is not possible. Okay? Next. So this is just a picture of our convocation day. Next. Yeah, this is what we are proud to have these kids. I mean, I'm telling you, first year that we got this year, first year, second year, third year, we got a good result. And near about 23, 24 students in first year got a distinction, and 48, 52 students have got first class. And our result was near about 85 to 90%. And that result in all the 3 years. Okay? What we used to do earlier also same thing we did, now also same thing. But teaching methodology, good teachers are there, they will teach you, but only thing is you should show interest, that's all. So, these are all students. Rojasvi you are seeing, but these students see, Naveen, Lakshmi Pradvika, these are all students. They are university toppers. Out of 14 colleges in Andhra, they have got this position. First position in out of 14 colleges, near about, I think, if not mistaken, 1,400 students will be there. Must have given, if not 1,300 students must have given exam. In the 1,300 students, these are the students. She got a first position in, he got a second position, he got a third, and he got a sixth position. She got, and seventh position, and ninth position. So, because of their hard work, it's not key. We have done something favorable to who? No, nothing doing like that. Their hard work and teachers' dedication as well as students' dedication. My dear students, please follow this. Next. These are the students who got in BDS exam in a second year. Joshua got first position in second BDS. See? This boy is first year also he is first position in NTR University. Second year also he has got a fourth position in second BDS. First only, okay, sorry. Okay, sir, probably it is fourth position. Okay, first position. Sorry, I'm very sorry. See, he got first position in first year also, first position in second year also. So the Sara Pravalika again one students, Venkata Naga, Harshita, Madhurika Reddy, Asya Jafar. Asya Jafar again in the third year, first year, second year, third year. She got a university second year, third position like that. She got third position this time. Continuously she is getting it. She is an excellent student, very good student, even behavior wise, yeah, discipline, yeah, ethics. You can meet her. Next. As I told you, my dear students, the ragging is strictly prohibited. Don't get into this. Okay. Okay. Work hard, be yourself, and have a fun. It's not key, only hard. Discipline, no discipline, nothing. You should have a discipline. You should have a fun also at the same time. Talk is laughing, no discipline. I told discipline will be there, without discipline, nothing. Okay, you should have a discipline, little bit. Little bit is enough, not too much is not required. We are not army people. We are not a ISRO people to have so much discipline. Even 0.001% also should not miss. Not like that. You can do it. You make a mistake, I am telling you. I am also take a class. Everybody will take a class. I am telling the students first thing is same thing. You make a mistake, no problem. When you are studying, you make a mistake. But once we told you, once you become doctor, you should not make a mistake. Then it will go in some other direction. Okay? Next. At the end, you will receive the degree like this. Okay? Next. So that video you have seen already, is it not? So the maximum problem we are facing here is the mobile. It is even for me also so many. I never used to use a mobile. Nowadays I am also so much I am using. I'm just interacting with you, but don't get into that. It's very bad. It is. Okay. So my dear students, once again, thank you for joining Lenora. Parents, thanks for coming here and giving chance to teach your kids, and we will take a responsibility that we will make your students a good students in the, because your responsibility, my dear students, is social responsibility. Your responsibility towards your parents, your responsibility towards your institute. These are the three responsibility, major responsibility you have now. So you should fulfill that. I hope all of you fulfill this and come out as a good student, like what we shown there some examples. I want all of you should study, but I don't feel that I just failed. No, my thing is finished, nothing like that. Even if you get a first class, that much is enough. I am telling you, nobody, I will not discourage. Your caliber, you pass. Just clear. Professional college, again, will teach you so many things. This whole week will be the orientation program. One by psychology, everything will teach you. Half an hour classes, 1 hour classes. But only now, today is only for the parents and both of them. You have a class. So parents also request you, follow it up, your kids. Thank you once again.
Thank you, sir, for that informative lecture. Now I request Dr. Dalsingh, sir, to give the vote of thanks.
Thank you, sir. That was a wonderful lecture. I think everyone is clear about your future course, isn't it? So I take this opportunity to thank our management, secretary sir, madam, chairperson madam, director, principal sir, and all the faculty members, as well as all the parents who have come from all the long distances, చాలా దూరం నుంచి వచ్చారు కష్టం అనుకోకుండా మీ పిల్లల కోసం. సో అందరికీ పేరు పేరున ధన్యవాదాలు. అండ్ ఐ విష్ ఆల్ ద స్టూడెంట్స్ గుడ్ లక్ అండ్ హార్టీ కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ వన్స్ అగైన్. మేమందరం ఇక్కడ అవైలబుల్ ఉంటాము. ఓకే, సో సమ్ సార్ ఇక్కడే ఉంటారు, చాలామంది ఫ్యాకల్టీ అందరూ ఇక్కడే ఉంటారు. ఏమైనా ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చినా కానీ కాంటాక్ట్ నెంబర్స్ కూడా డిస్ప్లేలో ఉంటాయి. యాంటీ ర్యాగింగ్ కమిటీ ఎవ్రీ నంబర్ ఆర్ ద పర్సనల్ నంబర్స్. సో ఎప్పుడైనా ఎవరికైనా ఏం ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చినా కానీ యు ఆర్ ఫ్రీ టు కాంటాక్ట్. ఎక్కడ ఏ ఫ్యాకల్టీనైనా మీరు ఫ్రీగా అప్రోచ్ అయ్యేటట్టు ఫ్రెండ్లీగా ఉండండి. ఓకే, భయపడాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఇట్స్ ఎ ప్రొఫెషనల్ కోర్స్. మీకు స్కూల్లో లాగా ఏదో పనిష్మెంట్ ఇస్తారు అది అలా అనుకోకూడదు. టీచర్స్తో ఎంత ఫ్రెండ్లీగా ఉంటే అంత నాలెడ్జ్ మీరు గెయిన్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, సో థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్, థ్యాంక్ యూ వన్స్ అగైన్, అండ్ ద క్లాసెస్ విల్ కంటిన్యూ. థ్యాంక్ యూ. టీ స్నాక్స్ ఉన్నాయండి, ప్లీజ్ జాయిన్ ఫర్ ద స్నాక్స్. ఆల్మోస్ట్ లంచ్ టైం, సో తీసుకోవాల్సిన వాళ్ళు తీసుకోవచ్చు. అండ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ కెన్ ప్రొసీడ్ ఫర్ ది లెక్చర్స్ from 2 o'clock onwards. Post lunch, you go for the classes.